I'm so sorry about that. This is part 2 of lesson 147. We are in the letters and sounds K5, lesson 147 on page 181. You're going to draw lines from the pictures to the beginning blends. The beginning blends. So draw a line from the words to their blend sounds. Now, on the back side, you're going to write the word that completes the sentence. There are word banks for each sentence, and you pick one of the words, the correct one that completes the sentence. At the bottom, circle the special sounds and mark the vowels, okay? You're going to circle the individual letter blends that are the special sounds, and then mark the vowels. Remember, short is the smiley face, long is the stick, and cross out the ones that are silent for the vowels, okay? Now, I'm going to pick a word on here. I'm going to pick the first one. It's tra-a-k. There are two special sounds in that word. Tra-a-k. T-R blend together to make a special sound. Tra. C-K blends together to make a special sound. K. And then the A is A, as in apple. Track. So circle the TR, circle the CK, and smiley face the A. Excellent job. Next, we're going to go to numbers and skills. Numbers and skills arithmetic. It is the page after the bunny. 147, it has trees and squirrels, and this is our math for today. We're going to add or subtract. Make sure you pay attention to the sign. Is it plus or is it minus? Okay, plus or is it minus? Write the answers in the boxes, and then we're going to count from the left. The left is that one right there where they're pointing. See the orange flower? That is the one on the left. And you're going to start with the orange one. It's going to be number 1. It's going to be the first one. Circle the 6th flower. The 6th flower. And on the back is lesson 149, so you do not have to do that one. And I will not explain it until lesson 149. That is another one. If you, we're going to go in God's World, we're going to go to page 40. Okay, there's nothing for you to do, but you can look at the pictures and listen. The animals are busy in the fall. The birds fly south. That's called migration. The birds are in the cold temperatures like in Canada and the northern U.S., and they want to get to the warm places in the south. So that is migration, and that's what they do in the fall to escape the very cold weather in winter. The squirrels gather nuts. They must get ready for winter too. Now, what do the squirrels need the nuts for in winter? That's right, they eat them. Good job. They bury them, and that's where we get the term they squirrel them away. They hide them for later. Now, let's go finish on page 41. Page 41, we're still discussing the fall or autumn. I am busy in the fall. I go to school. The trees are busy too. The leaves are changing colors, brown, yellow, red, and orange. Everything is getting ready for winter. The trees drop their leaves in the fall, and in the northern areas, the trees have their leaves change colors, and they have bright, beautiful foliage. Some people even make trips up north, like in North Carolina, and South Carolina, and Virginia, and Kentucky, just to see the gorgeous trees there. Now, it says we go to school in the fall, but with Harvest Academy, we're going to a year-round school, so that means that we begin school in the summer. We're starting in July. Most of our friends go back to school in August, but we're starting school in July, so that when we finish a year, we only have a little time off before we start the next grade, so that we don't forget what we learned all last year and it's fresh in our mind and we start the next grade. So that is all we have for today. Tomorrow we'll have our lesson on our community helpers, and we will also have more on our Great America. So join us tomorrow on Friday, which will be the last day of this week, and then we'll only have 1 week left. Love you guys. Have a great day, and I'm sorry I had to make this in 2 parts. So have a good day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Remember to text me or to email me if you have any questions, or if you want to video yourself doing parts of your lessons. That's wonderful too. And I'll see you later.